Boy, what an awesome episode. Renard's gone, but the Eye of Darkness is ready.
It sure is ready. Ready to go. Ready, schmetty. It's locked and loaded. We're ready for liftoff. Pow, zoom. Wow.
I think you're getting a little bit carried away again, Hamish.
Back away, evildoer, or I will implode you.
All right, implode me, eh? How exactly are you going to do that?
Well, I happen to have learnt all about air pressure from my close personal friend, Dr. Bunhead. He was here in New Zealand earlier this year for the International Science Festival, and he taught me his mad scientist secrets. Take a look.
Today, we're going to be looking at pressure, air pressure. Did you know, at the minute, as you're sat there watching the screen, your body is being bombarded by millions of tiny, invisibly small specks called molecules, moving at thousands of kilometres per hour. And there is a huge column of these things bearing down on your bodies, squashing all over. So much so that just on 1 square centimetre, that's the space the size of your thumbnail, the weight of the air pressing down is the same as the weight of this Milo tin. And over my entire body, it's about 20,000 square centimetres. That means 20,000 of these pressing down all over me. So how come you and me are not squashed into something very wee? Well, because nature balances things out. You see, there's a squash this way in this can and a squash going the other way, so they balance. Here's a cool trick to see what happens when they don't balance. Get a parent to help you with this. Got a can here. We're just going to put a small amount of water in the top, like so, and then heat it up.
Turn it on, turn it up now, turn it on, turn it up now.
When we heat the water up in the can, it turns to steam, and it expands, it gets bigger, and it pushes all the air out of the can. You'll see the steam coming out. Oh, and that looks like it's boiling very nicely here. So here we go. We're going to cool it down very quickly. The steam's going to turn back to liquid water. Take up hardly any space, leaving us a vacuum inside the can. Here we go.
Turn it on, turn it up now, turn it on, turn it up now, turn it on.
So you can see just how much pressure our tiny little bodies are under every minute of the day.
Bam! So, Matty, be nice or I'll do that to your head.
Yeah,